This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Darlene Taylor. All brick ranch style home with 3 bedrooms 2 baths on a nice level corner lot inside the Kingston city limits. Spacious open floor plan with split bedrooms, with a large master suite, walk-in closet and double vanity, beautifully updated eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliance. Formal dining area opens up to the newly built deck overlooking the above-ground pool with a gazebo and patio area with plenty of room for entertaining guests. Home has lots of light coming in with stylish colors and finishes. Large covered front porch. This home is completely move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Darlene Taylor at 865-687-1111.